everyone, I'm back again, and I have prepared my little ephemera kit for the first Italian sort of elements page kit that I did the other day that Steffi did for me. So it's going to be 4 pages, so you'll get, this is printed from the JPEG, and they'll also be put into a PDF for those who print from PDFs. And I've included elements from the papers so they coordinate, and then also extra elements. So this is extra. This is the watercolor. We didn't use that in the kit, but we used the other one. But this is like a watercolor. I liked that more for journaling. And also, so you could choose to cut around there and make it into a tag and put a label on there, or some textile, something like that sort of thing. Or otherwise you can sort of tear it as well, and then use it as a collage sort of element. So that's those. I was going to remove this part here, but I thought if you wanted to use it for a tag, then that way you've got those lines to cut out. This is from one of my antique books from the 1700s. And that's just one of my photographs. So you've got this image as well. This now this was not the full image in the book, in the pages. You just sort of saw the little gondola coming in, so there's the picture there and a seagull. And then this is also from one of my antique books. This is from one of the antique registers that my mother-in-law gave me to scan, and Stefano's made it so that it's a transparent file, so it can print out white like that, or you could print it all on a very lightly, I would recommend printing it on a lightly tea-dyed paper, and then that will be tea-dyed behind the writing, which would be fun. This is a beautiful antique letter envelope that I have. And then here is, that was in the kit, and I added a flower because I liked that. This background was from the New York Public Library. It's the back of an old letter with a seal, and I put the door there and a flower over it, and a bit of my antique letter. This is also one of my photographs, this one here as well, that as well. And again, that one you could tear around or cut it out as a rectangle. And then that's an antique book from the Met Open Access Library. And then here's the door with the snow, this other door and I added a pretty flower from the Graphics Fairy, watercolor version of the geranium pots. And then these are from my antique books here. My husband was able to separate them and clean them up. And then that is from, I think it was from the Met Open Access or the Graphics Fairy or the New York Public Library. I can't remember, one of the 3. Anyway, so that is the kit. I think there's 4 pages. Lots of fun elements to play with to go with the journaling pages. So I'll just grab the journaling pages actually if I've got them. I'm in a bit of a mess. So let's see. So you can just see they will coordinate. Well, that one's not the right one. Just a second. Oh yeah, I did printed them all on regular paper, I think. So that, you know, they do sort of all coordinate with each other. So you can see here is of course it was the second one, wasn't it? There's the gondola there, and there's that one there. Okay, so just so there are pretty much all of the elements. The only one I didn't put in was this balcony here. That's the only thing, because it was like not so exciting really, just to have as a single element. So yeah, oh gosh, I like looking at those pages. There we go. So there you go, there's my I've called this Italian collage elements kit 1 because I've got more, and we'll be doing some more pages. I've got lots more images, so yeah, we'll do more pages and we'll have more kits as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're enjoying using your papers, those of you who have purchased them, and I will see you again soon. Bye.